I, JVN Divya Gupta from Civil Engineering discipline. Today I am here to present the PPT on the types of pre-stressed concrete from the subject concrete structure second. First of all, I want to tell you what is pre-stressed concrete. Pre-stressed concrete is defined as concrete in which internal stresses of such magnitude and distribution have been introduced that the stresses resulting from a given external load are neutralized to a desired degree. Two types of pre-stressed concrete based on pre-stressing methods. First, pre-tension pre-stressed concrete and the second one is post-tension pre-stressed concrete. अब मैं आप लोगों को बताना चाहूँगी कि pre-tension pre-stressed concrete क्या होता है. Pre-tension pre-stressed concrete that tendons are first stressed to a given level, then the concrete is cast. Tendon may consist of wires, bars और strands. पहले से जो स्ट्रेस आपको कंक्रीट पे लगाए जाते हैं कंस्ट्रक्शन की साइट पे लाने से पहले वो प्री टेंशन प्री स्ट्रेस कंक्रीट कहलाते हैं. Now, post-tension pre-stress concrete. The concrete is first poured with one or more pipes or the tube post-tension for the future insertion of the tendons. That is known as post-tension pre-stress concrete. When the desired pre-stress level is reached, the tendons are locked under the tension using anchors or final clamps. Subsequently, the conduit is filled with the grout to protect the steel against the corrosion and provide additional substituent for the concrete. Pre-stressed concrete by pre-tension tendons. What do you mean by pre-tension tendons? Pre-tension concrete is a variant of pre-stressed concrete where the tendons are tensioned prior to the concrete being cast. The concrete bonds to the tendons as it cures, following which an anchoring of the tendons is released and the tendon tension forces are transferred to the concrete as compression by static friction. Pre-tension concrete is most commonly used for the fabrication of structural beams, floor, slabs, hollow core planks, balconies, lintels, drive piles, water tanks and concrete pipes. Pre-stressed concrete by post-tension tendons. Post-tension tendon concrete is a variant of pre-stressed concrete where the tendons are tensioned after the surrounding concrete structure has been cast. The tendons are not placed in direct contact with the concrete but are encapsulated within a protective sleeve or duct which is either cast into the concrete structure or placed adjacent to it. At each end of a tendon is an anchorage which have a assembly finally fixed to the surrounding concrete. Once the concrete has been cast and set, the tendons are tensioned, stressed by pulling the tendon ends through the anchorages while pressing against the concrete. Post-tensioning tendons are of two types. First one, bonded post-tensioning, and the second one is unbonded post-tensioning. First one is bonded post tensioning. What is bonded post tensioning system? Bonded post tensioning system has pre-stressing tendons permanently bonded to the surrounding concrete by the in situ grouting of their encapsulating ducting following tendon tensioning. This grouting is known as bonded grouting is undertaken for three main purposes. To protect, first one is to protect the tendons against corrosion. Second one is to permanently lock in the tendon pre-tension. Third one is thereby removing the long-term reliance upon the anchorage and term systems and to improve certain structural behaviors of the final concrete structure. Next one is bonded post. Ducting is fabricated. Bonded post tensioning characteristically uses tendons, each comprising bundles of elements, example wires or strands, placed inside a single tendon duct with the exception of bars which are mostly used unbundled. This bundling for more efficient tendon installation and grouting processes, since each complete tendon requires only one set of end anchorages and one grouting operation. Ducting is fabricated from a durable and corrosion resistant material such as polyethylene or galvanized steel in bonded post tensioning system. In this bonded post tensioning system, there are so many advantages. Unbonded post tensioning system. Unbonded post tensioning differs from bonded post tensioning by allowing the tendons permanent freedom of longitudinal movement relative to the concrete. This is most commonly achieved by encasing the each individual tendon element within a plastic sheeting filled with a corrosion inhibiting grease. Benefits of bonded post tensioning system. There are some benefits for bonded post tensioning system. First one is it reduces the reliance on end anchorage integrity. Second one is increased ultimate strength in flexural. Third one is improved crack control, and the last one is improved fire performance. There are some benefits for unbonded post tensioning. First is ability to be prefabricated. Second is improved site productivity. Third one is improved installation flexibility, and the last one is reduced concrete cover and superior overload performance. Thank you.